Welcome to math class, children. In the last class, we were discussing about quadrilaterals. In that, we have completed exercise 3.2, 4 questions. Now we'll see the fifth question. In that first one, A, is it possible to have a regular polygon with measure of each exterior angle as 22 degree? And the second one, can it be an interior angle of a regular polygon, and why? Understand the question. Is there any regular polygon which has exterior angle 22 or interior angle 22 degree? Okay, let us see how to find it, how to know whether it is correct or not. Exercise 3.2, fifth question. First one is exterior angle is equal to 22 degree. See, question ಏನ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ರೆಗ್ಯುಲರ್ ಪಾಲಿಗಾನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟೀರಿಯರ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ 22 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಇರೋದು ಇರುತ್ತಾ? ಓಕೆ, 22 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಬರುತ್ತಾ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ regular polygon ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ all the sides are equal, all the angles will be equal, right? So to know this, number of sides is equal to, so you know that sum of exterior angle, that is 360 degree by 22 degree, that is equal to, now you will get the number of sides, children. Okay, we are dividing the total sum, that is angle sum is 360 degree by 22. Here if we get the whole number, if it divides completely by 22, so then we can say it is correct. Okay, otherwise ಅಂದ್ರೆ 22 degree ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ನಿಮಗೆ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ exterior angle 22 degree ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. Okay, now if you divide 22 once 22, so remainder is 140. That is 132. So you will get 16.36. So the number is not dividing completely. So that's why we cannot have a regular polygon. We cannot have a regular polygon with exterior angle 22 degree. Okay, so reason it is not dividing completely by 22, children. And let us see the second one. So interior angle 22 degree irutta, yaudadru regular polygon alli interior angle 22 degree barutta anta kelta idare. Now interior is 22. See, already I have told you while finding the number of sides and adela previous class al helide, we take exterior angle because we know the sum of exterior angles of polygon. It is same for all the polygons. It is 360. Yaude polygon tagoli, heptagon, hexagon, yaude polygon tagondro, the sum of exterior angles ಎಷ್ಟಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು 360ನೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಸಮ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಅದೊಂದನ್ನ ರೆಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತೀವಿ. ಇಂಟೀರಿಯರ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಇಸ್ 22 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ದೆನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟೀರಿಯರ್ ಆಂಗಲ್. So how to find out exterior angle here? We know that, yes, for example, it is like this. For example, it is interior angle is 70 degree. What about exterior angle here? So it is linear pair of angles. The sum will be 180. Alva? Linear pair of angles andre the sum of angles will be 180. Idu 70 andre idu 110 irutte. So exterior angle of 22. How can you write this? 180 minus 22, that is 158. Okay, children. So again we have exterior angle bandide. Now next step ನಾವು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ? Number of sides find out ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. Number of sides is equal to, if it completely divides 360, then it is correct anta. 360 by 158. Two, sir. So you will get reminder here. So it is not dividing completely, right? So therefore we cannot have a regular polygon with interior angle 22 degree. We'll see the next question. Sixth one. What is the minimum interior angle possible for a regular polygon? Minimum interior angle possible for regular polygon. So what is the question, children? On the regular polygon alli nimge minimum ಎಷ್ಟು interior angles ಸಿಗತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Yes, we know that which is the first polygon nimge ಯಾವ್ದು ಸಿಗತ್ತೆ? We should have at least 3 sides to frame a or construct a polygon. Alva namge 3 sides minimum ಬೇಕು. By using 2 sides you cannot get a polygon. Alva namge minimum 3 sides ಬೇಕು. So how many angles are here? 3 angles. So what is the answer? Minimum interior angles ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಇರಬೇಕು? 3 sides ಇರಬೇಕು. 3 angles ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Okay. What is the maximum exterior angle ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ? Maximum. So here regular polygon is nothing but, what is the definition for regular polygon? All the sides are equal, all the angles are equal. If all the sides are equal, what do we call it? It is equilateral triangle. If all the angles are equal, then it is equiangular triangle. And each angle will be, the total is 180, right? The sum of all the 3 angles is 180. You know that, right? And what is the measure of each angle? It is 60 degree. Each angle is 60 degree. 60 plus 60, 120. 120 plus 60, that is 180. So each angle measures 60 degree. This is the minimum interior angle of a regular polygon. And next question, maximum exterior angle. Here we have written interior, and here you have to write maximum exterior. Yes. Here children, if it is 60 degree, what is the exterior angle here? You know that it is linear pair 180 minus 60, that is equal to 120. For example, if you take rectangle or quadrilateral, what is exterior angle here? It is okay. Take it as a not rectangle. For example, it is 80 degree. What is the exterior angle here? It is 100 degree, right? So regular, so you will get 90, all are 90 only because regular polygon anta ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So all ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ this is 90 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ exterior angle 90 ನೇ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? So maximum ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ್ದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅದು triangle ದೇ ತಗೋಬೇಕು. Minimum interior angle ಅಂದ್ರೂ triangle ತಗೋಬೇಕು. Maximum exterior angle ಅಂದ್ರೂ triangle ತಗೋಬೇಕು. Because they are saying regular polygon children. Okay, so for the first one, minimum interior right equilateral triangle. Okay, interior angle is equal to 60 degree. And what about maximum? That is also equilateral triangle. What is exterior angle here? Exterior angle is equal to 180 minus 60 degree, that is equal to 120 degree. This is the maximum exterior angle of a polygon. Next, 3.3 children, next exercise 3.3. In that first one, they have given a parallelogram. Parallelogram A, B, C, D. And they have given diagonals O. And they have given some questions here. In the first one, AD is equal to D angle DCB is equal to, and OC is equal to angle DAB plus CDA is equal to. See, ABCD is a parallelogram. You know the properties of parallelogram, right? What are the properties? Opposite sides are equal and parallel. AB is equal to CD. AD is equal to BC. Opposite sides are equal and parallel, children. Next property is opposite angles are equal. Opposite angles are equal. Angle A is equal to angle C. Angle B is equal to angle D. Opposite angles are equal. Then the sum of adjacent angles. The sum of adjacent angles will be 180. Let us see the questions here. AD is equal to, which is AD? Yes, this is AD. We know that opposite sides are equal. That is equal to BC. Okay, right here, opposite sides are equal. Opposite sides of parallelogram are equal. Next, DCB. So C is in the middle. Right now, you have to see the angle C. DCB. Angle DCB is equal to, we know that the opposite angles are equal. So you can write angle BAD or DAB. Opposite angles are equal. Next, OC is equal to OC. This is OC is equal to, you can write OA, children. OC is equal to OA because the diagonals of the parallelogram are equal. The diagonals are equal. Okay, diagonals are equal in parallelogram. ಅಂದಮೇಲೆ OC ಎಷ್ಟಿರುತ್ತೋ OA ನು ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Diagonals are equal. DAB plus means this angle. DAB plus CDA. CDA, they are asking these two angles, right? A plus D. Already I have told you the sum of adjacent angles. Adjacent andre consecutive angles. ಒಂದ್ರ ಪಕ್ಕ ಒಂದು ಬರೋದು. ಒಂದ್ರ ಪಕ್ಕ ಒಂದು ಬರೋ angles ಏನಿದೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಎರಡು add ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ 180 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Okay, the sum of adjacent, whatever, whichever it may be, A ಮತ್ತೆ D ಆಗ್ಬೋದು, A, B ಆಗ್ಬೋದು, ಇಲ್ಲ B and C or C and D. ಒಂದ್ರ ಪಕ್ಕ ಒಂದು ಬರೋ two angles ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ the sum will be 180 degree. This is what your first question. We'll go to the second one. Consider the following parallelograms and find the values of x, y, z. Find the values of x, y, z, children. And I'll write the first one. Here you have 5 figures in that first one. See, all are this. Parallelograms. All the figures are parallelograms. You had to find the values of x, y, z. And the first figure, A, B, C, D. It is x. They have given angle B is 100 degree, Z and Y. Yes, in parallelogram, if you know one angle, you can find the remaining angles. So we know that Y is equal to, which is opposite angles are equal in parallelogram, right? Which is opposite to the angle B? It is D. So D is written as Y. So I will write Y is equal to 100 degree. Here you should give reason for each and every step. Okay, opposite angles are equal. Next, I will write x plus 100. X plus 100, which is 100 here. x plus 100, these two are adjacent, sum of adjacent angles, right? Adjacent angles is equal to 180. Adjacent angles, that is sum of adjacent angles is 180. Then x is equal to 180 minus 100, that is equal to 80 degree. So your x is 80. Y is 100. Now you have to find Z. If you know X, you can write directly Z is equal to. So already we have found out X, that is 80 degree. Here Z is also 80 degree. Opposite angles are equal. We'll see the next sum. Second one, second figure. It is exterior angle Z. It is 50 degree. It is Y and it is X. You have to find out X, Y, Z, right? Already I have told you all the figures are parallelogram. Parallelogram. Okay, that is here. You can do any way, children, no problem. ನೀವು ಯಾವುದೇ ತರ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 50 ಬರ್ದಿದ್ವಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 50 ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಇಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 50 ಇದೆ ಅಡ್ಜಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಸೊ ನೀವು ಯಾವುದೇ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಸೇಮ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ನೋ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. Now I will write 50 plus x is equal to 180. We know that adjacent, sum of adjacent angles are equal. So x is equal to 180 minus 50, that is equal to 130 degree. We got the value of x, right? Next, if x is 130, which one will be 130? Yes, y is 130. Opposite angles are equal. Now you write, children, opposite angles are equal. Next, you can find this is 50 and this is linear pair. You can write 130, right? Or ಈ ತರನೂ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ಇಲ್ಲ ಇನ್ಯಾವ ತರ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, take this line. These two are parallel lines, right? See, it is like transversal. This is Z. Okay, children. See, these two are parallel lines and this is your transversal. Transversal anta ನಾವು ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಯಾವ angles equal ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ? Corresponding angles are equal. So here it is x. So x and z are corresponding angles. So ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಈ ತರ ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್ ಲೈನ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ವರ್ಸಲ್ ನಾವು ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಒಂದೇ ಕಡೆ ಬರೋದು, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಬರೋದು, ಈ ಎರಡು ಆಂಗಲ್ಸ್ ನಾವು corresponding angles anta heltivi. X and Z are corresponding angles. So you can write directly here x is equal to Z, that is equal to 130. So corresponding angles. ಸೊ ನೀವು ಈ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಾದ್ರೂ ಮಾಡಿ, ಐದರ್ ಈ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಾದ್ರೂ ಮಾಡಿ, ಬಟ್ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರಬೇಕು. ಕರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ angles. So at last you write x is equal to 130, y is equal to, what is value of y here? It is also 130, and z, so all are 130, right? Yes. We'll go for the next one. Y, this is x, 30, this is right angle, and it is z. Okay, children. So here it is also parallelogram. I will write x is equal to 90 degree. So already I have explained in the first class, when two lines intersect each other, see they are saying it is 90 degree, right? If it is 90 degree, opposite angle, that is also 90 degree. Which is opposite to here? It is x. ಇದು 90 ಅಂತ ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ರೈಟ್? ಇದು 90 ಆದ್ರೆ opposite angle is also 90. That is vertically opposite angles are equal. Next, x plus, we have triangle here, right? No, x, y, and 30, right? How can you write this? X plus y plus, so that you can find y. 30 is equal to, it is like a you have a triangle here. The sum will be, the sum of three angles is 180 degree. X, we have value of x here. Substitute that. Y plus 30, that is equal to 180. Now write y is equal to 180 minus 90 plus 30, 120, that is equal to 60 degree. Right? That is y. What about z? Here we have z, right? If you see the figure, right? See, this is y and this is z. So what are these angles? In parallel lines, I explained this, alternate angles. Y and z are called, see, z shape angles ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಈ ತರ z shape ಹಾಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಈ angle y ಮತ್ತೆ angle z ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಈ angles ನಾವು alternate angles ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. Alternate angles are equal, so directly you can write y is equal to z, that is equal to 60 degree alternate angles. Okay, children. So third one is over. We'll go to the fourth one. $80 degree. This is z, y, x. Let's see, directly you can say this is parallel lines, and if you consider this as transversal, Just now I had told you these two are corresponding angles. If it is 80, it is also 80 degree. So I will write Z is equal to 80 degree. What angles these are? Corresponding angles are equal. Next, see if it is x is equal to, how can you write x? That is 180 degree minus 80 degree, that is equal to 100 degree. So sum of adjacent angles. We got x, y, see x is 100 degree, then you can write directly y is equal to 80 degree. Opposite angles are equal. Right? So x is equal to 100, y is equal to 80, and z is equal to 80. And fifth one, this is y, 112 degree, and it is your x, z, it is 40. Okay, children, now you see the which are alternate angles. You have to find x, y, z, right? So here, x, y, z. So directly you can write y is equal to 112 degree because opposite angles. So if it is 112, so what is the angle here? You can find z here, right? Or x. No, it's better you find z because here x means ಇದು one side ಮಾತ್ರ ಇದೆ, but here we have two sides, two angles ನಮಗೆ ಸಿಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. Z plus 40 ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? So 40 plus z. So before that you have to write 112, 180 minus 112. Then you will get this angle. Full angle ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. 180 minus 112, that is 860. 68 degree. So now you can find z, alva. So full angle is 68 degree. Now we have two angles here. So z plus 40 is equal to 68 degree. Artha aagta idya? Adjacent angles 180 barutte. Sum is 180. So 180 minus 112 madidini. So full angle ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ನಮಗೆ 68 ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. So in that we have two angles here, 40 and z, right? So z plus 40 full angle ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ 68 ಇದೆ. Now you can find z. 68 minus 40, that is equal to 28 degree. So So Z is equal to 28. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ Z20 ಅಂದ್ರೆ directly you can write X is. ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ again Z shape angle ಬರ್ತದೆ, ಇದು X ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ವಿ, then it is Z, right? So X and Z are equal, so they are called alternate angles. X is equal to Z. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ Z shape angles ತಗೊಂಡು ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಯಾವಾಗ ಅಂದ್ರೆ when the lines are parallel to each other. Now it is parallelogram, so Z is equal to X is equal to Z is equal to 28 degree alternate angles. Alternate angles are equal. Yes, we'll see the next question. Third one. Can a quadrilateral ABCD be a parallelogram? First one, D, angle D plus angle B is equal to 180 degree. Second one, AB is equal to DC is equal to 8 centimeter and AD is equal to 4 centimeter. BC is equal to 4.4 centimeter. And third one, angle A is equal to 70 degree. Angle C is equal to 65 degree. I will draw a quadrilateral. Write A, B, C, D. What is the first one? Angle D plus angle. Yes. Angle D plus angle D is equal to 180. So can it be a parallelogram anta kelta idare. So yes, of course, alva 90 plus 90 180 barta ide, but and remaining two angles should be also equal. So D is equal to B barta ide, that is 180 anta tegobodu, and A is equal to B, angle A is equal to angle C no barbeku, then only it is parallelogram. Otherwise it is illi equal bantu, no problem, but illi 180 ge for example 180 anta bantu antandre, for example 180 anta bantu andre, it is not a parallelogram, right? These two are equal, okay, but these should be equal, then only it is parallelogram, otherwise it is not a parallelogram. And sum of the adjacent angle should be 180 degree. And you have to give reason here for the first one, children. See, it is a parallelogram. When it is a parallelogram, if when it should fulfill the condition, children. What are the condition? The sum of adjacent angles is equal to 180 degree and opposite angle should be equal. Opposite angles must be equal. Okay, then we say it is a parallelogram anta reason kodbeku. And the second one, AB is equal to DC is equal to 8 centimeter anta heltidare. This is 8 and this is 8. AD is 4 centimeter, BC is 4.4 centimeter. No, it is not a parallelogram, because you should write the reason, because AD is not equal to BC, right? The condition is not satisfying, so it is not a parallelogram. A is equal to 70, right? 70, this is 70 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. C is 65. No, right? Opposite angles must be equal. Angle A is not equal to angle C. Therefore, it is not a parallelogram. Next question. Fourth one. So draw a parallelogram. Draw a rough parallelogram anta ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ quadrilateral. So this is B, D, A, C. So they have given B and D are equal. But okay, children, ABCD is a figure of quadrilateral. That is not a parallelogram, right? It is not a parallelogram, but it has exactly two opposite angles. That is B is equal to angle B is equal to angle D. Both are equal. Okay, but angle A is not equal to angle C. Therefore, it is not a parallelogram. Next, fifth one. The measure of two adjacent angles. Two adjacent angles of a parallelogram. I will draw the figure, children. So this is parallelogram anta. In the ratio 3:2. Find the measure of angles. Okay, children, they have given two adjacent angles of a parallelogram. I will draw a parallelogram here. Already I have told you, if it is given in ratio form, you have to write it as 3x and 2x, right? Now this is a parallelogram. A, B, C, D. Adjacent angles. Which are adjacent angles here? Take A and B. Okay. A as 3x, B as 2x. Two angles, adjacent angles kottidare 3x ಮತ್ತೆ 2x. So you have to find the value of x, children. Okay. We know that angle A plus angle B is equal to, the sum should be 180. Alva? Adjacent, sum of adjacent angles. What is A here? It is 3x, B is 2x, 180 degree. That is 5x is equal to 180 degree. X is equal to 180. So it is a numerator. Send it to the denominator. That is equal to 180 by 5. 5 3s are 15. 5 6 are 30. Divided by 5. So x is 36 degree. Now you have to find out what is 3x and 2x. So A is equal to, angle A is equal to 3x. Alva? X plus ಅಲ್ಲಿ 36 ಹಾಕ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. 3 6 are 18. 3 3s are 9. That is 108 degree. Then angle B is equal to 2x. Very easy, children. Just understand the concept. 36. 2 6 are 12. 2 3s are 6 plus 1, 7. So if you add these two, you will get 180 degree, right? So this is how we find the angles. We'll go for the next one. Two adjacent angles. Two adjacent angles of a parallelogram are equal. So adjacent angles are equal anta ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. So ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ನೋಡಕ್ ಮುಂಚೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಮುಂಚೆನೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ಬೇಕು. ಟು adjacent equals ಅಂದ್ರೆ all the angles will be equal. So ಎಲ್ಲ equal ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅದು? Yes, either square or rectangle. Find the measure of each angle of the parallelogram. Okay. A, B, C, D. Let ABCD be a parallelogram. Then sum of adjacent angles, that is angle A plus angle B is equal to 180 degree. So two adjacent angles are equal anta ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. If you write it as, I will write x plus x anta, or you can write a plus a antano baribodu because a is equal to b, or you can take x, no problem. 180 degree. X plus x, that is 2x. X is equal to 180 by 2, that is equal to 90 degree. Then angle A is equal to 90 degree. Angle B is equal to 90 degree. See, A is 90, B is 90. Opposite angles are equal. All are 90 degree. Right? It is square or rectangle. Next, seventh sum. $70 degree. They have diagonal here. X. It is Z. And it is 40 degree. E, P, O, H. See, what is the question here? Hope, H-O-P-E, is a parallelogram. Okay, find X, Y, Z is equal to question mark. Is here we have 40 degree, right? Then which will be 40 degree? Here you have to write Y. So ಇದು 40 degree ಅಂದ್ರೆ parallelogram ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ angle 40 degree ಇರುತ್ತೆ? Yes, Y is 40 degree. Right here, solution. Y is equal to 40 degree. Why it is 40 degree? Is Z shape angle ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. Z shape angle ತಗೊಂಡಾಗ like this. Z ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸ್ಟ್ರೈಟ್ ಆಗೇ ಇರಬೇಕು ಅಂತಿಲ್ಲ. ಯಾವ ರೈಟ್ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಯಾವ ಕಡೆ ಟರ್ನ್ ಆದ್ರೂ ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಬಟ್ Z shape ಇರಬೇಕು, ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್ ಲೈನ್ಸ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. Y is equal to 40. That is, those are alternate angles. Next, angle P is equal to, I will write angle P is equal to 70 degree. Where is 70 degree? Yes, it is. How it is 70 degree? P is 70. Yes, if you take Z shape, again, alternate angles, right? Alternate ನೋಡಿ ಈ ತರ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ರೈಟ್. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಪಿ. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 angles ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ರೈಟ್. ಸೊ ಫುಲ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಪಿ and it is 70 degree. So angle P is equal to 70. Again, alternate angles are equal, right? Then P is equal to angle P is equal to angle H, right? That is equal to 70. Opposite angles are equal. Opposite angles are equal. But here we have 2 angles. Total angle is, full angle ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ? 70 ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. Now you have to find out Z, ಅಲ್ವಾ? So how can you write this? 40 plus Z is equal to 70 ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. Then what is Z here? Z is equal to 70 minus 40, that is 30 degree. Okay children, we got Y, Z, and you have to get X, right? So namge Y bandide, Y is 40, alva? So you can write X is equal to 180 minus 40. Sorry, it is P is 70, right? Not Y, P children, sorry. X, that is 180 minus 70, angle P, alva? So adjacent angles, sum of adjacent angles is 180. So namge X is equal to 180 minus, what is angle P? Don't take Y children, Y tegobardu, angle P tegobeku. Full angle is 70, that is equal to 110. So X is Y is equal to 40, Z is equal to 30, X is 110 degree. Next, 8th sum. GUNS and RUNS are parallelogram. Okay, find X and Y. See the figure children. Yes, GUNS, it is 3x, 26, 18, this is 3y minus 1. Okay, easily you can find all the sides children. I will write here. First one, SG is equal to UN or NU. Anyway, you can write SG is equal to NU. SG is equal to what? That is 3x. What is NU? That is 18. Now X is equal to 18 by 3 is equal to 6 centimeter. Okay, what is the value of X here? 6 centimeter. Then you have to get only X children, no need to find 3x. Second one, you have to find out Y here. 3y minus, or you write GU is equal to SN, right? 3y minus 1 is equal to 26. 3y is equal to 26. Take this minus 1 to right hand side. That is 27, and shift this to denominator, that is equal to 9. X is 6 centimeter, Y is 9 centimeter. We'll go for the next one, that is RUNS parallelogram. RUNS, parallelogram. SNRU. They have given two diagonals, and this is 20, y plus 7, this is plus, and it is 16, x plus y. Yes, children. So parallelogram, in parallelogram, diagonals bisect each other, right? Diagonals are equal. Bisects each other andre it divides the parallelogram equally into two parts or equal triangles. So let us see how to write. Y plus 7 is equal to 20, as well as you can say x plus y is equal to 16. So diagonals are equal, alva. So nimge it bisects each other antande y plus 7 is y plus 7 is equal to 20. So half part, if you write it as OS is equal to OU anta baritive. So OS is 20, OU also 20 irutte. So how can you write how will you write this? Y plus 7 is equal to 20. Here also OR is equal to ON. How will you write this? X plus Y is equal to 16. Right here, parallel diagonals bisect each other. Now write y is equal to 20 minus 7, that is equal to 13. Y is equal to 13 centimeter. Here x plus y is equal to 16, and we have value of y, right? So y is 13 here. Substitute the value, that is equal to 16. X is equal to 16 minus 13, that is equal to 3. X is 3 centimeter and y is 13. Okay. So x and y values namge sigta ide. Yes, children. Let us see once again. Minimum interior angle and maximum exterior angle for both take triangles. 60 and 120 is the answer. Here take opposite angles are equal. Sum of adjacent angles is 180 and opposite sides are equal. See, for all the figures, you should use properties of parallelogram. Use the properties and find x, y, z. Yes. Till here we have completed, children. Keep practicing. We'll continue in the next class. Thank you.